So I wanted to do a quick video today to show the basic things you can install on your Raspberry Pi. Here I'm using the Raspberry Pi 400. I also have a Raspberry Pi 4, and I must say that the 400, for some reason, I don't know why, is just so much better in terms of performance. It's just so much faster. I really do not know why. Because I even got the 8 GB of RAM, this one here. I really don't know why. So this one, the one I have, and what is really cool with this, yeah, exactly, neat, is that it comes with a lot of really good things pre-installed, and that's just what I wanted to show, because on this Raspberry 4 it does not, and sometimes not clear what you can install. So this one comes with all of this already installed. You can start programming instantly. So you have a Java here, IDE, again another Java thing. So the Jupyter notebook is to do some programming in Python, and I had to install, but no problem with installing. So there is a Mathematica distribution here. There's a Wolfram here that is here. So Wolfram language, it's it looks like Jupyter actually. It's amazing sort of programming language / statistical simulation mathematics. It's also a bit like Google. You can ask some stuff about mathematics and science, and it will help you compute stuff. So it's very cool that this is here, because to my knowledge this is not free. When I had it on some other device, I had to add a license from my university, so that's very nice. Then this is, yeah, another Python editor. Okay, and then you have Scratch, which is very, very cool. Little playground to get the basics about programming. I think I will really highly recommend for everyone starting to program and want to learn programming to definitely start with Scratch. I think it must be quite easy to install. I will try to install it on my other Raspberry Pi, but I'm sure it's fine. Here you also have a little Sense Hat emulator. So I don't have one, so I didn't know what it was before, but it's a little device you can have with your Raspberry Pi. Maybe one day I buy one, and I think this is the the simulation, where I guess you can already start learning how to program with it. It looks very cool, looks very pretty. Look at that, super nice. Look at this thing, it's super cute. Yeah, I'll definitely will get one in someday. And then you have Sonic Pi already installed, so that's very neat. You should, if you don't know what it is, you should definitely, it's from Cambridge, okay. You should definitely Google it, look some videos on YouTube. It's something to make music with programming, which is amazing. He does some really, really cool stuff. Okay, Wolfram Mathematica, very cool. Yeah, I need to try it. So that also comes already installed. It's very nice. It's something I would definitely recommend installing. I'm sure it's very nice to learn programming with by doing music. I mean, it's such a great project. And you also have Thonny. It's yeah, little IDE. Yeah, it looks much better here, seriously, than on my other Raspberry Pi. I don't know why. And it's so much faster here than on my other Raspberry Pi. So it's very nice. It's already made. And then I had to install Visual Studio, which is, you know, a nice IDE. I must say that it's been quite buggy, not on that Raspberry Pi, on the other Raspberry Pi it's been very buggy, and also on some of my other computers it's been a bit it's not perfect. There is some issues, but I think overall I would recommend it. So it looks quite cool here. It's a nice IDE, yeah, it's nice. That's quite easy to install from the Visual Code. Yeah, so to install, I did just copy paste this line into your terminal. Okay, and then copy paste this, and then you will do everything automatically, and then you will appear here. So it's very nice. You also have the Jupyter notebook, okay, and then comes also with the LibreOffice, all the different LibreOffice distribution. Is basically the free open source version of Word. That's the Excel. It's very nice. It's free, so very useful. Okay, and basically that's it. And also another thing that is quite neat, that it comes with some games, and these games run very smoothly on that device. I'm really impressed. I was playing a bit of Minecraft, and it's completely fine. So that's really nice that all of this comes installs. You can see on the games, Python version of arcade games included in the book called The Classics, where we can learn to make this classical game. Flippy is not working. So yeah, I just wanted to show that. Very cool.